Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the PopSockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
What's going down in Diddy's high-profile trial? Tony Buzbee, a Texas plaintiff attorney who has been following the case closely, has some thoughts on what we can expect from the prosecution's final arguments. Tony, you've already filed over 40 civil lawsuits against Diddy and have another 100 cases in the works. How do you think the prosecution's case is shaping up so far? You're right, these RICO cases are tough to prove, but I think they've done a good job laying it all out there. They're making it clear that some of the behavior alleged in this case could have serious consequences. Now, when it comes to Diddy taking the stand in his own defense, that's a big question mark. Harvey Weinstein and Bill Cosby didn't take the stand, so we can't really know what to expect from him. But if he does decide to testify, I think that would be a game changer. He'd have to commit to 2 hours of daily prep for that. What about your pending civil cases? How do you think a guilty verdict will affect them? Well, the allegations in those cases were already pretty compelling, and now we've seen some of the things testified to in this trial that solidify those claims. If there's a guilty verdict, it'll definitely help our cases, but if not, I don't think it would hurt them too much. Combs's criminal charges are slightly different from what you've sued him for in civil court. You're suing for basic assault and battery, straightforward stuff. The RICO allegations, though, are a whole different ball game. I think we can see how the two cases align. Now, about that alleged victim who the prosecution had trouble locating or was reluctant to testify, what's going on there? People are still scared of Diddy, even with him in jail for 9 months. You've seen some pretty intense backlash from the public and some death threats on social media. That's understandable, given what's been alleged. Speaking of that hotel security video, I think they should show it again in closing statements. It's a powerful piece of evidence. We've all become numb to it by now, but it's still not normal behavior. And let's be real, it's going to be shown again and again until the jury sees it. And what about President Trump's pardon rumors? You heard him say he was asked if he'd pardon Diddy, right? Well, I don't think there's any chance of that happening. Knowing Trump, he's probably just sending out a message to see how people react. And boy, did they react.